Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications in Teams. So first, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed in. Next, click the three dots beside your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Settings. Now, once you're on Settings on the left side, go to Notifications and Activity. So under Notifications and Activity, here you can manage alerts for chats, mentions, meetings, and other team activities. If your notifications are muted, select the option to unmute notifications to turn them back on. So toggle this off.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
You can also customize which notifications you want to receive. And that's it. So your Microsoft Teams notifications are now enabled and ready to keep you updated. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.